Here's something unprecedented. A man admits to killing a 44-year-old father of two, and instead of being charged with murder or some other crime, the DA lets him walk free. In an interview you will see only here on NBC 7, 20-year-old Miguel Ramos speaks out for the first time to NBC 7's Megan Tevrizian, who just wrapped up this exclusive interview. Megan.
Yeah, well, Mark, Miguel Ramos says he has nothing to hide and he wants to set the record straight. He also wants the Acevedo family to know that he killed him in self-defense. 20-year-old Ramos says there were at least 2 months of threats and hostile texts leading up to the fatal stabbing of Robert Acevedo outside his home on October 9th. In the early morning hours, Ramos says Robert Acevedo and at least one other man came to his Encanto home and threatened him and his girlfriend, Sarah. Now, Sarah is Acevedo's wife and the mother of their 8-year-old son, but she began dating Ramos while she and Acevedo were separated. For 2 months leading up to the stabbing, Ramos said Acevedo was harassing him and sending threatening texts to Sarah. The text said things like, quote, he has no idea what he's gotten himself into, and, quote, he's going to pay. According to Ramos, Acevedo came to his home, tried to fight him, and fearing for his life, Ramos ran inside, grabbed a fishing knife, and fatally stabbed him in the front yard.
It just seems so surreal. I never experienced or seen anything like that in my life. So just the fact that it happened, yeah, after it happened, I was stuck. I didn't move from where I was. Like I was shaking. I was, it's not the type. I'm not ever, able to do something like that.
Now, Ramos fled the scene that night after the stabbing, but then turned himself into police the next morning. When his girlfriend Sarah called 911 twice at the night of the stabbing, she was put on hold both times. Megan Tevrizian, NBC 7.